just by showing up, marami kang mawi-witness. Alam niyo mga kapatid, I just want to remind all of you, kahit na 5 taon ka nang nagpe-pray dun sa prayer request mo, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi nag-work ang prayer natin. Our obedience works. Our prayer works. Our fasting works. Our spiritual discipline works. It doesn't mean na hindi ka nakakakita ngayon ng sagot. Ibig sabihin hindi gumagana ang prayer natin. No, prayer can move mountains. Prayer can change everything. It can change everything. But the question is this, kaya mo bang manalangin pa rin sa Panginoon kahit hindi mo nakukuha yung sagot sa iyo mga panalangin? Let me rephrase. Will you still show up in church kahit 3 taon mo na pinagpe-pray, yung pinagpe-pray mo hindi pa rin binibigyan ng Panginoon? Because there is power in showing up. Sometimes the most spiritual thing that you can do is to keep on praying, to keep on showing up, to keep on attending, to keep on asking for opportunities to open. Kung hindi pa bukas ang opportunity ngayon, keep on asking God, Lord, buksan mo po yung opportunity. Keep on praying for the salvation of your loved ones. Hindi porket wala sila ngayon dito at ayaw nila sumama sa church, hihintuan mo na ng panahon